Our Kenyan friend Miss Trudy visited Zimbabwe for the first time, and as people who always encourage others to visit Zimbabwe, we had to show her the best of what the country has to offer. She got to experience the food, the social life, and the most breathtaking sceneries. We want you to come along for our 48 hours with Miss Trudy in Zimbabwe, and hopefully you'll see just how much Zimbabwe is worth visiting. Miss Trudy is a popular Kenyan YouTuber who travels to different African countries and other countries around the world. Like her husband Wadamaya, who is also a famous YouTuber, Trudy has a passion for experiencing different cultures. As a Jamaican, I'm certainly not the most qualified candidate to show her around Zimbabwe, but I've lived here long enough to share a thing or two. If you're new here, we're Deborah and Tony. I'm a Jamaican doctor.
And I'm a Zimbabwean entrepreneur. And together we're the Megabush Family. My wife Deborah stays here with me in Zimbabwe, and this is the story how she proudly shows her new country with others.
Hey guys.
I didn't know that much about Zimbabwe.
Get together. If you're into golfing, this is a perfect place for you. Jamaica loving it, so big up. I've been living in Zimbabwe since February 2020. Since then, I've returned home to Jamaica only once, and that was to give birth to our son. So I've pretty much spent most of the past 4 years discovering what I hate and love about Zimbabwe. So when our Kenyan friend and fellow YouTuber visited the country for the first time and asked me to share my favorite things, I did just that. Trudy, yeah? Do you want some tea? No, thanks. Okay. Now, first on my list was how almost everyone who's never been to Zimbabwe would never expect living spaces like this to be readily available. Thanks to Grand Homes Properties, my friend was able to experience and showcase what they'll never show you on mainstream media.
Guys, she's Jamaican and she now know how to swim.
Yeah, me don't know how to swim.
Me shook. We think all Jamaicans know how to swim because they're surrounded by water, you know.
My patwa go and do. My girl say me shook.
My patwa mad thing. My patwa and the maddest thing.
What else you can say in a patwa?
You can't say everything. I can't say everything, but I can understand everything. Is this how to say it?
You say something in a patwa.
You see me?
You see me? We had lunch at the New Highlands Park. It wasn't my usual place to have lunch because, as we say in Jamaica, me not have it like that. But Trudy insisted.
Come on, yeah, come on. Let me address with you. Patwa with you while I still can.
But just to tell Trudy, say, I've never eaten here before.
The maddest place. The food shot.
The food shot! Well done.
I love it. Oh my God. Yeah.
So how's it in Zim so far?
So far so good. I love the people. I love the food. Zimbabwean food is way closer to Kenyan food than West African food. So
I was telling you guys that your food, to me, right? Yeah. Zimbabwean food is
farther away from. Yeah. So Jamaican food is similar to West African food. So yeah, I know the feeling. That's how I feel when I'm in Ghana. You say our food is bland, but yeah, that's what they say. They usually say our food is boring. East African food is boring.
It's so boring. It's plain.
It's true. It's true. Living in Ghana, I know that's true for sure. We don't put lots of spice. It's not as spicy. Yeah.
But I love this guy. That's why I liked Ghanaian food so much. It was pretty similar to ours.
Then you came back. I bet you get spices from Jamaica. So when you're at home, you can cook your kind of food.
Usually I bring them with me.
So now you're forced to just eat Zimbabwe food.
But I tell you this, like Zim sadza and beef stew is actually quite good. That's my favorite Zim meal.
when they say beef, is it the beef you ate at the Kenyan restaurant?
So before my Zimbos get on our backs about going to eat Western food instead of some good traditional Zim dishes, don't you worry. We had gone for dinner twice at a Kenyan restaurant in Harare called Cultures, which is just off Chiremba Road. They serve traditional meals done in a Kenyan style. But it's so difficult to tell because Kenyan food is actually so similar to Zimbabwean food.
What they used to call you Mugabe sana. Yeah. Or the other way. And it went viral.
People literally thought he was actually Mugabe's son.
Wow. At school?
Yeah.
No, like on YouTube.
On YouTube. So
he is not Mugabe's son.
Tony and Wade Maya, he started YouTube in China. Yeah. So you're the one who started or what?
You started.
And then you were helping, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he started in China. And that's why they met with Miss Dabs, a medical doctor.
How did you notice that?
Like you've been talking about him a lot. I don't know if you've noticed.
No, did I?
Giving her, for example,
Really? Even with the chicken.
Yeah. She's like, we are eating. She's like, oh, I have to leave some for my husband.
You guys are exaggerating.
When I eat. Oh, whatever I eat, he must eat.
You guys are exaggerating.
Then I'm like, okay. Then a few minutes later, did you notice the food he was eating yesterday? I got him the food. Then a few minutes later, we're in the car. Oh, something funny happened yesterday.
You guys.
He was driving, and then the dog started coming, and then he stopped the car. It was so funny.
I remember her mentioning it.
And then he's like, and then he stopped and came out, and then the dog ran away. Like, oh wow. Also, you see, Tony, we have this joke. I tell him he's made in China. The whole day, like the whole
you Trudy.
So in love. Like she's really in love with you. That's so beautiful to watch. Wow. I wish I spoke like that about
you.
Maya.
Do actually every other minute. She's like,
do I? No,
hi,
no,
babe.
that's not
I
true.
love you. I miss
That's
you.
when I
So
talk
this
to him
is
on
what
the
I'm
phone.
doing. Like every 30 minutes.
That's when I talk to him on the phone. Like you the whole day. Like I don't think an hour has gone by.
She's lying.
But that's so beautiful. Like she's so in love. That's just what I wanted to say.
So Trudy, there is another bowl at your back, so I think you'll be fine.
Okay, I'm sorted. Thank you.
What to take? Yo, spoiled for choice.
Yeah, it's like, do I take ugali? Do I take rice? Do I take chapati? You know what? I think I'll take chapati.
It's chapati.
Chapati.
Show some chapati.
I have some chapati.
A bottle of water.
Yeah, chapati. What does the chapati come with? In it. You have me in it. A bottle of water, chapati. And you have mbuzi. Come on, don't leave me hanging. So I was sketching my friend. It's so funny. I wish I was filming this on my Insta story. Guys would laugh. I'm gonna have skuma wiki. I'm gonna have rice. I'm gonna have mbuzi. You have mbuzi? Goat meat.
Skuma wiki?
These vegetables here.
When I was young as a farm, there was no meat. At the raw areas, we just eat starter and vegetables.
What's the name of it? Skuma wiki.
But today we have meat on the table.
A lot of it.
We got beef, we got chicken. They're trying
Goat.
to now.
Let's see your stew.
No, this one.
Which one?
That pot.
Oh, that pot. We call it.
Don't touch the thing.
I'm forgetting the name of the pot. What's the name of this pot here?
Which one?
That one. Traditional. What do you call it?
Three-legged bodo.
Bodo. It's a bodo.
It's a bodo.
It's not that hard.
Continue shaking your hand.
Ooh, look inside.
So we call it bodo.
Traditional.
Traditional bodo.
Wow.
And Trudy's having that.
Yeah, that's me.
Mm.
So I'm wishing I took this.
Hakuna matata.
We got pulao.
We can share, guys. We can share.
Oh, okay.
Chicken.
What about sausage?
So much food. Sausage.
Yeah. What is rice? Thanks for the rice. The soup for the rice. Yeah, I think they're playing.
So guys, this is.
So how's the goat stew?
So good.
Yeah?
Very tasty.
It's like chicken, but it's goat.
Do you know when someone wants to say meat tastes nice, you're like, oh, it tastes like chicken.
Exactly.
So you're telling us what's pilau? What's
Pilau is a East African version of jollof, West African jollof rice. Just like jollof rice is eaten in Ghana, Senegal, Nigeria, the Gambia. I think it's even in the Gambia, I think so. This we eat it in Kenya, in Tanzania. I don't know if they take it in Rwanda and Uganda, but yeah, it's really popular. During celebrations, we have this.
Yeah, we had a good time.
Oh, okay. It's like for recipes. What are the spices in it?
Man, so many spices.
Oh, really?
Pilau masala, ginger. Oh god, it's
a lot.
It's a lot. I can't remember the name. Cloves, I think.
I can't wait to taste it. Pilau. Guys, this is my first time trying pilau.
I need to eat more salsa.
We'll take you to Gavas. Yeah, for the Gavas and try. So while we're on the topic of food, Trudy recently traveled to my country, Jamaica, and she told me she fell in love with plantain porridge, which is one of our local dishes. Unfortunately, I can't access plantains readily in Zimbabwe, so when she asked for it for breakfast the next day, I did this for her instead. So in Zim, people use ripe bananas. They hardly use the green one. Real country girl stuff. But the knife kind of dull. Alright, let's call this.
Them little, but them taller.
It's his house.
Is it not far?
No, it's close by. So yeah, that's good. So in the supermarkets, they only sell ripe bananas. You won't find green bananas so easily. Unless you have a banana tree in your yard. Oh, sure. See, you getting your hands dirty. The Zimbabweans don't eat green banana.
They don't?
They don't. And you were telling me the other day that you eat green banana in Kenya.
Yeah, we do.
If you're watching and you come from any other African country, please tell us if you also eat green banana and how you prepare it.
And also, let us know, after you peel green bananas, how do you get the stickiness off your hands? Guys, the aroma, it's really starting to smell good in this house. And that's because of this. Oh, let me take it out, Eve.
It smells so good. So, add or...
Wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah. And then you take it out of the shell. There's an actual nutmeg.
I've seen nutmeg powder, I haven't seen this.
Yeah, so then the powder is great. Just using this way. That's enough.
This aroma is just taking me right back to Jamaica. Because Jamaican food shots are the maddest thing. I saw Jamaican rice.
But I
What were you
really,
saying? You said you doubt the porridge.
I really doubt it, yes.
Man. You know what's funny? I'm not even.
I feel like this should be enough for you. and him, and then I take off the rest of myself.
Try my camera and tell them.
Of course, yeah. Oh my god.
Hey,
Be honest, you know. Because we already tasted.
guys, that's a lot of porridge. Trudy, whose plate
You
is
wait
that?
till you taste it.
That's her
I think it's a
plate.
lot until you taste it.
That's her plate. But
Okay. I think I'm just going to have 2 scoops.
You're going to do what?
I'm going to have 2 scoops.
so this is not yours. This is mine.
Yeah.
So make his very little.
If I like it, I can always get more.
Yeah, I'll put
Yeah, that's okay.
How is it?
It's nice. I don't know, it'd be better with peanut butter.
You're so disrespectful.
Disrespectful to what?
I've never met anyone who puts peanut butter in porridge. We're used to putting peanut butter in bread.
Welcome to Zimbabwe, baby.
Wow.
We always put
Peanut butter.
Yep.
But I feel like the peanut butter spoils the flavor.
Yeah, flavor.
All your porridge is gonna taste like peanut butter. Exactly.
No,
It enhances.
all peanut butter does is peanut butter was made to enhance the taste of porridge. So
But it makes the porridge taste like peanut butter.
no, it makes the porridge taste like a blend.
I don't get it.
Guys, what do you think? Do you do that too?
But I'm happy there's no peanut butter for you to put in.
So you get the original taste from Jamaica.
Let's eat.
Cool. Did you have the exact same time? I just love it. Thank you. Thank you so much. We're gonna make more where we're going.
Just after breakfast, we were off on a road trip to my favorite place in Zimbabwe.
Anyway, this is Tony Megabush. These guys have been making my stay here in Zimbabwe smooth. So please go over to their channel and subscribe. You've been seeing me hanging out with his wife a lot because he's been at work. So I've been hanging out with
He's busy at work, guys.
And I know guys are just gonna attack me already. Like, how can you sit in front and let the wife sit at the back? Trudy?
She actually didn't want to. I told her to sit in front. It's easier for her to get the scenery and record and all that. So I asked her to sit there. Okay, guys, it's fine.
So they say these guys have the best pies, and so I was like, I'm gonna try the hot dog as well. I hope it's as good as they say.
I've never had the hot dog.
And the thing is, the hot dog is $1, and what?
The what's this? The pies are what? How much?
$4.
up to dinner time. Also, I wanna try this.
It's good. The first bite is just the bread. Let's go deeper. Okay. It's okay. It's probably the same as the last one, right? So good. What?
You're not eating, please. No.
Say something, then I'll take it away. Is it nice?
I said let me eat in peace. It's good.
You have to eat for content.
It's
It's
good.
good, yeah, I enjoy it.
You eat for content.
I'm visiting Zimbabwe for the very first time. I'm Kenyan based in Ghana and I love to travel the world. So my journey has brought me here and I'm loving this country. And we are visiting this place. How many hours away is it?
It's like 2.5 to 3 hours.
2.5 to 3 hours away. It's gonna be a beautiful road trip. I'm so excited. First road trip in Zimbabwe because I just touched down by air and then I was here.
Road trip! After a 3-hour drive from Harare, we finally arrived. So I hope you guessed it, we're in Nyanga, one of Zimbabwe's most beautiful towns. And we brought Tony's siblings along to help show Trudy how Zimbabweans have a good time, because they're usually the life of the party. Hey guys, so we're here in Nyanga, well, Julia's Dale. It's just beautiful out here. Y'all know that it's one of my most favorite places in Zimbabwe. Why? Because it reminds me of Poti. Remind me of Portland, where I'm from. Big up Portlanders, big up Portland crew, Portland massive, whatever you want to call it. Big up best where I come from. Miss you guys, loving you. So yeah, I have to show you where I'm at today. This is beautiful Nyanga, Julia's Dale. I'm at the Grand Homes property called Mountain Lake Resorts with Miss Trudy, who's staying here for just a bit of time, seeing the place. And you know, it's absolutely beautiful. If you've been watching, you know we've been here before. And if you're interested in ever staying here, go and check out their page. We'll put it on the screen. Go and check out the website. And when you visit Zimbabwe, make sure you stay at these properties. They're just world-class, proper standard, quality. You know, the service, the customer care is top notch. Love it. Right, so we're gonna take you around today, show you what it's like. Mostly showing Miss Trudy because this is her first time in Zimbabwe, so we've got to show her the best of what the country has to offer. So come along with us and then you'll get to see what it's like. How do you like it? Oh my God. I told you it's nice.
Oh wow.
It's in the car. Let me go get it, Sunny. Oh yes.
Hi babe.
Hello baby. Welcome to Grandoms, the home of luxury.
It's actually called, what's this one again? Lake?
Mountain Villa Lakes. If
Mountain Lakes.
In the Harare area in Zimbabwe. Make sure.
How's the weather?
So chilly.
Okay. Freezing.
But that's at night. During the day, the sun comes out. So when you're coming here, make sure you carry a sweater with you.
Like the one you're wearing. This place is nice though.
Yeah, it's very
cozy.
Very classy.
Guys, we're living our best life in Zimbabwe. Our best life, okay? We're not starving.
Contrary to popular opinion.
Contrary to popular opinion, we don't live in huts. Okay, we have nice places.
Modern.
Like
better than even some homes in the US.
Yes.
Yeah.
We've been to the US, saw homeless people, very poor.
US, yeah, Washington DC.
Right.
Big compound. Right next to White House. Just tens
with
of
homeless people, exactly.
East
So
or
guys,
west, for me, home is best. Me, I'll travel the world, but I will always come back home.
give Africa a break, guys.
Yeah.
Like,
give the richest continent in the world a break. We're just humble, and we are getting there.
Exactly, we're getting there.
Yeah.
We're getting there. This is the woods for you in Africa.
Can you believe it? Can you believe it?
After we had finished settling in, we had a lovely time bonding, getting warm by the fireplace, braaiing, eating with the family, and showing her how Zimbos have a good time.
You guys have fun. Huh? You guys are happy and it looks like both of you love dancing. Yeah. I don't even know how to dance.
For those of you who don't know, Nyanga gets really cold at night. Lucky for us and you, if you do decide to stay at this venue, every chalet has a nice big warm fireplace, plus gas heaters. But we decided to keep it warm and cozy, light a fire, and take the party inside once we were done eating.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
So the night was long, and we thought since we were quite literally in a cabin in the woods, a few real-life scary stories by the fireplace wouldn't hurt.
It was a night around maybe 8:30 p.m. I don't know if you guys go to school. If you're in boarding school, at night you go to study.
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing. So then this night we are studying, you know, and then it's like 8:30. The class starts becoming a little noisy. People are chatting, and then the door to the classroom just opens up. And then a girl comes in. So she comes, she's like, where's the head girl? So she comes to me. She's like, Trudy, come with me. I say, why? She said, no, come with me. I'm like, why? What's up? She said, just come with me. But then the way she said it, she was so scared. I had to go and see. Guys, I got to the compound. I will never forget that day. You guys won't believe what I saw.
What did you see?
So I saw the craziest thing I've seen in my whole entire life.
What's that thing? Oh no.
Right on time.
Tiggs, are you scared? You're scared. It's okay. It's just a story. It's just a story.
Come to Tete. Come, my baby.
So, I see some people on the ground, some people running around, some people trying to hold them. So this guy's on the ground. I saw someone with these eyes, these very eyes, like moving like a snake, a human being moving like a snake, like this.
On the ground.
Yeah, on the ground. Another one is laughing. You know that
Where are
evil
these
kind
people
of
coming
laughs.
from?
Students.
Oh, they're students.
Yeah. You know that evil kind of laugh? That evil one. Laughing. You know, I'm in shock. I'm like, what the hell? I'm looking around. Another one is like, I will go, I will go, I will go. I know what is happening. I was so scared. At that point, I'm the head girl, so I need to give directions. I've never seen anything like that. It's at night, so teachers are home. But there was a mistress. They were there trying to, you know, I don't know, they were trying to make everything okay, but everything wasn't fine. And then there were church, there were like Christians praying. Christians praying for the Christian students who appear to be possessed. Muslims praying for the Muslim students. SDS praying for their own people.
Were they actually students who were doing this? Like,
yes, it was
actual
students.
people?
Yeah.
Was this boys and girls?
No, it was just girls' school.
Oh, okay.
So then you'd see someone is being prayed for, they get prayed for, and then when they get back to their senses, you hear screaming in a classroom. Someone is possessed. Then you see people carrying them, taking them outside. Dumping to, oh, it's funny to you, huh? Yo, I saw it with my own eyes. When someone gets okay, the demon jumps, like he jumps from them to someone else in the classroom. So then you see someone being rushed. It wasn't just one or two people, a couple of people being rushed. Someone is holding this leg, another one, this hand, rushing them into the field. And then another thing I won't forget, the assistant head girl who came to call me, at some point she was carrying someone. Guess what happened?
You jumped into her.
It's not funny, you guys. Why are you shaking your head like you don't believe me? I remember seeing a very close friend of mine. She was I'm like, even you. No way.
So how did they go away?
Well, I just remember people were being prayed for. I just remember walking in the field, confused, shocked.
And this is like you're 16, 17. How old were you at this time?
17. So walking back and forth, I'm in shock. I've never seen anything like that. It's like, how? So this is real. I'm also scared. So people are being prayed for. It kept happening like that. It went on for some time. I remember maybe 30 minutes because I remember the bell rang and students started coming out of the classroom. But then they were being directed to go towards, yeah, they were not passing there. But I remember at the end of it all, it remained only 2 students who were like possessed. And is it 2 or 4? And a car was called to take them out of the school. I don't know if they were taken to church or hospital. But that was the craziest thing ever. When I went back home, I told my family what happened, and I told them I don't want to go back to that school. I can't go back. Then my dad was like, but you only have 1 term to go. You can't transfer at this point. So then I just had to go back. But when I went back, I was so scared. Everyone in the school was scared.
We all finally went to bed, and a long night came to a beautiful end.
Wearing such shoes, but here I am. I was looking for butter shoes, rubbers, but then they didn't have.
Tennis shoes.
So yeah, I think maybe nature is trying to communicate something. Maybe I should start playing tennis or something.
But they look cool
Thank
and
you.
comfy.
Oh, thank you.
What's your favorite thing so far?
Everything. Everything is my favorite. I mean, the trees, the lake, how quiet this place is, the way you get to enjoy the sunsets. Nothing is blocking you from the view, the orchard. the cabin itself inside. Oh my goodness. So modern. Man. But I love how you can be able to get away, go so far, but you have electricity. I hate it when you go so far, interior, there's no electricity.
Right.
But here, you can actually have, like in some places you travel, and then they cut electricity at some point. You know, they tell you, from this time to this time, there's no electricity. But here, there's enough solar power, so you don't have to be worried about that. And the appliances in the house, very modern. You feel like you're back in the city, but you're just not.
Right. We went for a walk around the resort, and while we were taking in the scene, my dad and brother video called, and the conversation we had was particularly touching for both Miss Trudy and I, since we each relocated away from our families to reside in our husbands' countries.
But you must really miss your daughter, right?
Huh?
You must really miss your daughter.
Yeah.
Aww.
Even since last week, funny enough, did I watch one show?
I understand what you're saying.
And then something about the father and the daughter or something, and I remember how the show go. But then my mind just define you, and then me start tear up. So you talk about I miss you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, that's probably true because Trudy and the dead.
Yeah.
Always on the phone. Always on the phone.
All the while, and then we say, boy. I never have to say. We say, why you have to get so far? But then we say God have a reason. Then we say God have a reason why you put away part into it. So I mean, really have to question God. God alone know that.
Aww, that's so sweet.
She's also like, with her and her dad alone. So when she left Kenya, well, and your siblings, of course, but when she left Kenya and go Ghana, she also left her father behind. But them talk pretty much every day, almost, right?
Yeah, as much as possible.
Talking still not go fully space, because even what me I say is that even though me I travel from a little pitney, but either come in still like say me they home because I'm still there Jamaica.
Right.
They just come in same way like say me they home same way, even though we there far. I mean I say you go to school and you no see me and me no soon of all of this while, and your gosh is just study from one school to another to university, and then you know come back home. So then I say me no spend no time with you.
Yeah.
So every time they
that's so touching. Don't cry, babe.
God is God, so me not complain. So Mr. Tony have a mighty job and responsibility. I'm going good so far. But so far, I'm going good.
Wow.
Tony, am I hear me?
In my record, yo.
Okay. All right, big man.
Oh, yeah.
They have a mighty job.
Hey, it's too much. Should I return you?
Hey, you always say it's too much if you return me.
No.
That's so funny.
So, Miss Trudy,
Yes.
are you understanding my patois?
Yeah, I mean,
Bitch.
I understand everything.
She's pro in a patois, you know.
I see you.
I saw your video and Maya video, and when you guys came to Jamaica, and I saw you getting down in the patois.
Yeah, man. Patois with the speaker, with the speak.
It's patois mixed with pidgin.
And
Hey, no, mix it.
and you love the word Zimmy.
You see me.
Yeah, Zimmy. Yeah, I even went to your homeland, Portland.
Portland.
Me, I go Portland shot.
And that's how she can say that she loves so that you see. Portland shot, the food shot, everything shot.
Does that make sense?
It does.
Exactly.
She actually, since she there, she actually use more patois than me. Every minute she try to talk patois.
So, Portland are the maddest thing.
Yeah, man, everybody says that. Everybody says that, you know?
Yeah, and I love your country so much. I think it's the most beautiful country in the whole world. And that's what I think.
You know, even those who pretend to put up their parish as the #1, they are forced to accept that Portland is the best.
Yeah. I see why.
Yeah.
After our 2 days together, Miss Trudy and I realized just how much we have in common, and how sharing our unique experiences as young women who embrace African cultures other than our own can be a beautiful prototype of a greater union of Africans worldwide.
Nobody can stop me. Ooh, I'm going there. Don't you want to go too? I'm going there. Nobody can stop me. I'm on my way. I'm going there. Nobody can stop me. Ooh, I'm going there. Don't you want to go too? I'm going there. Nobody can stop me. I'm on my way. I'm going there. Nobody can stop me. Ooh, I'm going there. Don't you want to go too? I'm going there. Nobody can stop me. I'm on my way. I'm going there. Nobody can stop me. Ooh, I'm going there. Don't you want to go too? I'm going there. Nobody can stop me. I'm on my way. I'm going there.
Thanks for watching. If this is your first time on our channel, please do like, share, and make sure you subscribe.
Don't you want to go too? I'm going there.